These replacement shelves from KOZHOM are more than just functional components. They are the renewed heart of your refrigerator. Each of the 2 shelves, meticulously crafted to a size of 11.69 by 11.37 inches, is a testament to precision and durability, offering a perfect fit for a variety of models. Specifically designed as an Ikea Refrigerator Glass Shelf. Upper. They effortlessly replace parts W10773886, W105278848, WPW10527848, and W11130202, among others. Indeed, this upgrade is akin to giving your appliance a new lease on life, transforming a once cluttered and disorganized space into an orderly sanctuary for your groceries. Therefore, you can confidently arrange your food with ease and convenience, knowing that these sturdy shelves will support everything from heavy containers to delicate produce. Furthermore, the glass itself is a clear canvas, reflecting light and making every item within your fridge sparkle. Not only do they provide robust support, but they also contribute to a cleaner, brighter interior, making it easier to find what you need. Consequently, these shelves are a small but mighty upgrade that brings a sense of calm and order to your daily routine. The thoughtful design ensures a seamless installation, so you can quickly get back to what matters most. Meanwhile, the robust construction ensures they will stand the test of time, resisting cracks and chips that plague lesser quality shelves. Ultimately, this IKEA Refrigerator Glass Shelf Upper is an investment in the longevity and efficiency of your appliance. In addition, these shelves are like a pair of wings for your refrigerator, lifting its functionality and aesthetic appeal to new heights. They are a harmonious blend of form and function, delivering both the strength and clarity you need. Moreover, the ease of maintenance is a key benefit, as the smooth glass surfaces wipe clean in an instant, preventing the buildup of spills and grime. While they are built for Whirlpool and IKEA refrigerators, they offer a universally appealing solution to a common household problem. Thus, this IKEA Refrigerator Glass Shelf Upper is not merely a replacement part. It is a thoughtful enhancement that breathes new life into your kitchen, making every opening of the refrigerator door a delightful experience. Pros: perfect fit, works perfectly, less expensive than brand name, bargain price, just as sturdy as original, look and work perfect, great value, couldn't be a better fit, adds needed shelf space, a reasonable option. Cons: high price point, squared corners are sharp, AI features can be useless, software can be buggy, charging speed is slow. Features: quantity, 2 pieces, part number, W11130202. Shelf type, freezer glass shelf, shelf position, upper, compatible with Whirlpool, IKEA, replaces W10773886. W105278848. Material: glass. This is a 2-piece set of KOZHOM upgraded freezer glass shelves. The part number is W11130202. They are designed for the upper position in a freezer. The dimensions are 11.69 by 11.37 inches. These shelves are compatible with Whirlpool and IKEA refrigerators. They can replace several older part numbers, including W10773886 and W105278848. The KOZHOM W11130202 freezer glass shelf is a perfect fitting, budget-friendly replacement for Whirlpool and IKEA refrigerators. It's just as sturdy as the original brand name shelves and works flawlessly, adding much-needed shelf space. It's a great value for the price, though some users noted the corners can be sharp and the price point is high for a third-party option. There were also unrelated comments about useless AI features. buggy software, and slow charging speeds, which seem to be mixed in from a different product review.